Morning. This is Nita and Miss Panda with the Timepiece Garden. Yeah, this is what my day is going to look like. That's the raininess. It's supposed to be all day. You know, I'm not trying to be the weather girl, just it's gonna rain. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you later. Took a break, went out to give chicken snacks. It's still raining. It's been raining all day. Took the long way around. Harvested some more strawberries. And some more asparagus. Everybody loves the rain. You know, except for Kitty and Panda. Kitty's like, Mama, please let me come in the house. She's just kind of following me around going, it's dry. And Panda's like, Mom, I'm going to play with the kitty. You want to go back outside? Okay. So, we will all talk to you in a few. Timing is everything. You know, got the asparagus and the strawberries in the house. And it just started downpouring. Yeah, that's my road. It's water. It's heavy. Tarp's doing awesome. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm staying in the house today. Lots of thunder. Y'all have a good day. Stay dry. Ten to 6. I got a semi-break in the clouds or a semi-break in the storm. Clouds are a little thinner, a little lighter. It is not raining. Chickens are all like, yeah. So no, the big ones hung up here. They like to hang out here under the deck. You can see where it's still dry. The little ones, they pretty much hung out near the coop. It's just, you know, everybody likes their own spots. Tarp did awesome. Still standing, you know, wind or not. I don't know what to do about my rose. I think they took a cutting from my orange one, because that's what it used to be, and put it on a red rose stalk. And the cutting itself died, and the red rose is coming back. And I say that because all of my blossoms are red. Every single one of them. And I don't know what would make an orange rose turn red. Not complaining, I like my rose, but I didn't want a red one. I wanted my burnt orange. You know, it's a yellow, orange, red. So, I don't know. Just a thought. You know, I'm going in the house, I'm going to go cook some dinner. Panda's like, yeah, dinner's awesome. Kitty Blaze is like, yeah, I'm leaning up against your leg, Mom. You're not going anywhere without me. It's my pincushion plant. I don't know what that was. Chickens are all here. Panda went to investigate a noise. Kitty was like, I'm gonna go hide. Oh, maybe the rest of that tree fell. Okay, so let's see if I can zoom in. See if I can find it. Not the curvy one. Big fat straight one. Behind it, there used to be that big branch hanging from the tree that I'm gonna need to turn into firewood. it looks like it let go. It's now no longer hanging on to the big tree. It actually might be laying on the ground. It's going to be 100 times easier to cut. Yay! Just not today. I also didn't know that I had a blue iris sitting up here. Welcome to morning in my garden. Well, I should say evening. It's not morning. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all go. Put on something other than my house slippers and walk up on this side of the road. There you go, walk up on this side of the road so I can get a better view. I think that branch is down. Awesomeness. Paint a scissors, that's a good idea.